Cloves are packed with fiber. Cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels. Cloves have antibacterial properties. Cloves can help alleviate tooth pain. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves may help protect against cancer. Cloves support liver health. Cloves improve oral hygiene. Cloves have anti-stress properties. Cloves are rich in antioxidants. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has been found to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels in animal studies.